To actually refund any Game Passes purchases you've made with Roblox, we have to go and open up a web browser instead of the Roblox app. So close down the Roblox mobile app, open up a web browser, and go to this website, www.roblox.com/support. When you arrive at this support or contact us page, you will be able to include your contact information, including an email address, which you will be using to talk to the customer support, and describe your issue. In here, select which platform you play on. So if you are doing this on mobile, iPhone, iPad, or Android, and in the help category, choose purchases using Robux, and then in experience item. Once you select purchases using Robux as the category and in experience item as the subcategory, you will be able to describe your issue in full, spare no detail, and include all relevant information. So how much the Game Pass cost, which account you bought it on, what Game Pass specifically for which experience, and as long as you provide valid and legitimately information, the customer support will be able to possibly help and grant you a refund for Game Passes purchased.